Welcome to day 24 of our Excel in 60 Days Mastery Challenge. Let's see how we create a running total in Excel. We have this data set, this little data set here before us. So let's see how we create running total using the data set we have before us here. So usually to just create total, we'll go ahead and say equals sum, then we sum everything we want to sum, and we have everything as 530. But let us see our running total. What we mean by running total is this: 150 here has nothing on top of it, so we are still going to retain 150. In the following cell, we want to add 150 by 80. In this other cell, we will add 150 with 80 and 200. And here we are going to have a total of it. So that is what we mean by running total. Okay. So what we'll do is that we are going to use this value as an absolute reference. We are going to say equals sum, open parentheses, and we will say this value. And remember, we say we are going to use it as an absolute reference. So we are going to say F4 column, this same cell. Okay. We close our parentheses and hit enter. So we are going to have that same value. But this is what happens when we take it a step further. What happens is that it takes this as an absolute. It now gives us the range from this absolute reference to this reference. If we take it down again, you see now it becomes what? It becomes to C4, isn't it? Because it's now adding 150 to 80 to 200. Then if we take it down, you see it's going to give us this value, total value. So that is how we can easily calculate a running total.